Okay, I'm not even clickbaiting when I tell you that in my freelance business as a social media manager, videographer, photographer, this little mic has made me over $50,000 in less than a year. And now it's time to upgrade to the DJI Mic 2. Obviously, there's reviews and all that shit out there about the mic. I kind of want to shift the way I make videos. I want to make videos that I like making, whether it's like cinematic or using music that I like, and not really catering to the monetization features of YouTube, because I don't really make that much on YouTube anyways. So I might as well make videos that I enjoy fully with music that I fully enjoy. If you are into that kind of vibe, then subscribe here and like the video. Not to say that if I ever do make more money on YouTube, I'm not going to cater to the monetization. I definitely will. But for now, we're just going to rock with what we have here. All right, we got it. Let's open it and rate it 1 to 10. On some Keith Lee shit. Actually really excited to open this. I've seen the reviews. Everything sounds super great in regards to this mic. And if it's even better than the first one, then yeah, how could I not be excited? Let's open this thing up. Packaging, very minimal, nothing crazy. Wow, off the bat, this is definitely a different experience and compared to your old one. There is the old one right there. And yeah, much nicer. In the bag, this is a charger as well for your mic. USB to USB-C cable right here. This is your audio cable, which is a lot better than the old one. See, another problem with the old DJI mic was that I lost one of the mics and I needed to buy a new one. And the thing is that it was so expensive to just buy a single mic. I just said, you know what? I'm going to buy a whole brand new one. See, in the last iteration, the hot shoe is actually directly connected to the receiver here, which is actually so much better, because on my old one, I actually broke the little hot shoe mount and it was so easy to break it. But this is so much better. This is a way better design than the old one as well. But you can of course use it on your iPhone. You have the old iPhone adapter here, but if you have a brand new one, you can use it with the USB-C right over here. For me, I have the iPhone 15 Pro, so I'm gonna need that USB-C. And yeah, the mics are absolutely beautiful. I love the see-through plastic casing on them. These just feel overall a lot better than the old ones. They don't feel as cheap, and the case feels much better. I will say that the receiver itself feels a little bit, it's lighter, it feels cheaper, and it just feels like it would break a lot easier. But in comparison, yeah, I'm really liking the brand new design, the brand new case. This is around, I think, $350 for the brand new one. But like I said, the first one that I've got, I was kind of a noob at the start. I'm still a noob, still a beginner. But this one has been such a useful tool. It's made me a ton of money, and it's really helped establish my business as a marketer. And this one right here, it's definitely going to help me level up some of the content that I make. Of course, not all of it. This isn't necessarily a professional piece of gear, but it will help. It definitely will help. So I can't wait to use this a lot more often in the field and share some of my thoughts with you guys in some later videos. Or not, I don't know. You guys have already seen this, I'm sure, but awesome to add this to my collection. I'll probably keep this as backup just in case.